Hey, so yesterday we talked about making recycled rags for like dirty pickups and stuff. And I want to show you what we use for like everyday counter cleanups or drying dishes or anything to that effect. It's kind of like not your wash the floor kind of rag, but just your everyday little spills and whatnot. You can get them at Sam's. They're called bar mops, and they come 24 in a pack. And I take half and I sew them up, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And then the other half I put away. And so I go through all of the ones that I have in the drawer, and I'll take out the really nasty ones and throw them out into the garage. And I'll put the new ones in with the kind of older ones so that I don't ever have like really raggedy looking ones, or they're not all brand new. And plus you don't need 24 brand new ones at a time. That would be nice. Let me tell you, in a year you're going to want new ones. So if you kind of space yourself out, it's like a little bonus. Every year you get brand new ones. But let me tell you, after the 2 years, they're done. And sometimes they leave quicker than that. It's nice to be able to have the extra ones to go and get. So, as I said, half of this one's gone. So, I already used those up. It's attached. So, it's a bar mop, right? Little rag. So, I like to stitch a line across, and then I put this on my paper towel holder upstairs, and it hangs so that it dries out between each little hand washing it off or whatnot, because sometimes, you know, you're getting done with washing the dishes, you just need to dry your hands off. And so this cloth is on just like paper towel roll. You just dry your hands off on this, it dries, and then it's there the next time you need it. So yeah, let's go sew this up. All right. Sorry, I'm gonna have to move you around here a bit. So this is how I do them, because how I have to have them in the drawer upstairs. This is like a Marie Kondo moment. The book is much better. I read it a long time ago. I can't believe Netflix made a whole series out of it. They have to go in like this, because then I can get 2 rows, and then I can get 3 rows. So that's how they have to be folded. So I found this out, that if I stitch them this way, it makes a really good guide for the kids to know exactly how to fold them. So just like any other sewing, right? Back stitch. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just gonna wipe my hands off and the kids' hands and whatnot. Back stitch. It's even still on a zigzag from me sewing knits earlier. I sewed the shirt today. It's cute. It's got little hands. Keep me warm, because I'm always cold. Fairlift top from Blake Slate. Okay. And so you have your towel. I do that for 12 of them so that I can put them in the drawer upstairs. So let's go see what it looks like upstairs. Okay, so we're upstairs now, and I wanted to show you like how I keep our towels. So in this drawer, it's down from the washcloths and stuff, hot mitts. And here are the towels, like I just sewed one, right? So it's just like paper towel roll. I put it on. It locks in, and I got myself a towel, so anytime I do dishes or whatnot, it's right here. Kids need one, they just, you know, they wipe off. If it's nasty, you take it down and you throw it right here. We have a little bucket. That's my watering container, my plants. I've had it for probably 6 years. Smart water, waters your plants. So I have a bucket down here. It sits. So when they're dirty, they go in there and then they get washed all together, all of them. So in here they have these that like do dishes and whatnot, and believe me, they have stains and everything else. You pull out one really nice one if company's coming over, and you put it up here so that it looks really good. As I said, you put half of them away, so you only have to buy them every once in a while. And then here are the rags, right? The recycled rags. So they know to come here if like they need to do a really hard job, or bathrooms or anything like that. We use these, which is why we can't mix the other ones with these, because you don't really want to be drying your dishes with bathroom rags. That's why they look completely different, because kids, you know, it doesn't work that way. So that's it. That's cutting down on paper towels and how we kind of do it. There's 2 other ways we do it, which is napkins and tissues, and I'll go into that some other time. Y'all have fun. Go hug a tree.